Okay, we're going to solve inequalities. Very similar to solving equations. Okay, it's just changes a little bit at the end, and we're going to learn how to graph these. Okay, so you're going to distribute the 4 just like we normally would. So that's 12x minus 20 plus 7 here on the left. Then we combine those, okay? So that negative 20 and that 7, that becomes negative 13. So 12x minus 13 greater than or equal to 8x plus 3. So now I'm going to subtract 8x from both sides. So that gives me 4x minus 13 is greater than or equal to 3. We're going to add 13 to both sides. That gives me 16. So that's 4x greater than or equal to 16. And then we divide both sides by 4. And we get x is greater than or equal to 4. Now this is one way to write it, okay? The other way that's probably new to you is called interval notation. So the way you would write that is it goes from 4 to infinity, okay? So we start at 4, and then all of our answers could be 4 or more. So it could be 5, 5.3, 8, 100, a million. All your answers are greater than or equal to 4. So it goes from 4 to infinity. And then if we were to see that on a number line, again, we're going to do this more tomorrow, this kind of stuff. Just a basic idea of where it falls in the number line. Here's 4. We make a closed dot at 4 because it includes 4. And then we shade all this stuff, everything above 4. So it goes from 4 all the way to infinity, 4 or more, okay? So we're going to learn how to write your answers a little more tomorrow. I just want us to get used to solving inequalities. Some of us are going to ask, when do I flip the sign? If it's greater than, when do I make it less than? The only time you ever flip the inequality is when you divide by a negative number. Okay, so we did not divide by any negative numbers. So we did not, if we had divided both sides by negative 4, then that inequality sign would flip. Okay. So now in school kids, you guys are going to stop here and we'll do some problems in class. Distance learners, there will be a classwork problem to do at the end. Here we go. Here are our classwork problems. Let's do the problems on the left, please, 12 through 20. If you can, try to graph them. If you can, try to do interval notation or just solve. So here you go. Pause it and do the problems on the left. Let me know if you have any questions.